Good morning, dear students. Today I shall tell you how to write the answers in Merchant of Venice. Here I have written a speech of Bassanio and Antonio. This speech of Bassanio and Antonio occurs in Act First, Scene First, line number 134. This speech of Bassanio was set in ICSE 10th class question paper in 2019. It will help you to learn how to write the answers in Merchant of Venice. This speech, let me read the speech once again. Act First, Scene First, line number 134, Bassanio's speech. To you, Antonio, I owe the most in money and in love. And from your love, I have a warranty to unburden all my plots and purposes. How to get clear of all the debts I owe. Antonio, I pray you, good Bassanio, let me know it. This is the speech which was set in 2019 question paper. The first question here, which was based on this speech, here it is written, describe Antonio's mood at the beginning of the scene. State any two reasons that Antonio's friends who were present gave to explain his mood. In this question, two parts is given. First part, describe Antonio's mood at the beginning of the scene. When you will read the first page of this play, in the beginning, Antonio himself describes his mood, that he is sad and dejected. In sooth, I know not why I am so sad. It wearies me. You say it wearies you. And his friends want with sadness. He also used the word sad, dejected, downcast. Sad, dejected, downcast, unhappy, despondent, gloomy, depressed, melancholy, weary of the world. I don't know why I am sad. Anything if you will write, whatever I said, that will be the correct answer to the first part of this question. Once again I am going to repeat. Describe Antonio's mood at the beginning of the scene. You have to write, in the beginning of the scene, Antonio was in a sad mood. He was unhappy. He was despondent. He was gloomy. He was depressed. He was melancholic. He was weary of the world. I don't know Why I am sad, want with sadness. The answer will be correct and you will be awarded mark for this if you will write in this way. The second part, two regions for 2 marks. First part of the question 1 mark, second part of the question 2 regions, and if you will write 2 regions you will get 2 marks for that. Means total 3 marks. State any 2 regions that Antonio's friends who were present gave to explain his mood. Slanio, Slarino say that Antonio's mind is on his rich merchandise ship. Then you will read the first scene, you will find all these things. I think that all these words are still in your mind. Tossing on the ocean, he is worried about his ship. Antonio was concerned, worried about the possible misfortunes, fear of tempests, mudflats, dangerous rocks that could wreck his ships, worried about worldly matters. Must be in love. You are in love. Not happy because he was sad. You are sad because you are not married. A deliberately wants to appear wise, grave, philosophical. Anything you will write, the 2 answers will be awarded 2 marks. So it is my sincere advice to all of you, go through the scene, watch the video carefully. While watching the video, open your book and read between the lines. The lines which you think is better, and whatever I told you, underline the lines in your textbook and keep all these lines in your mind. That will help you to get 100% marks in literature. Now let us come to the second question. Second question, which is based on this speech. What promise did Antonio make to Bassanio immediately after this conversation? When you will read Act First, just after this speech, Antonio said, and in that speech, some words are very good words, sorry, good words that will answer your purpose, that will help you to write the answers. His purse, wealth, unlock his wealth, resources, his person, himself, his extremist means, every last resource in his possessions, extended every help he could to help Bassanio as long as Bassanio's plans were as honorable as he himself was. All these words you will find, all these lines you will find in the speech of Antonio. Pick up the words and lines from there and use those lines and words in your answer. That will be the correct answer. Means to answer questions in Merchant of Venice demands serious study. Read between the lines. That will help you to answer the questions. Another words are also used in the same scene. If it stand as you yourself still do, within the eye of honor, be assured, my purse, my person, My extremist means utmost resources lie all unlocked to your occasion. It is given on page number 28. You can keep the words in your mind and make meaningful sentences to answer your question. Now let us come to the question number 3. Question number 3 is, what did Bassanio say to Antonio about a lady richly laden in Valmont? Once again, what did Bassanio say to Antonio about a lady richly left in Valmont? When you will go through the same scene, same act, you will find some words used by the characters Bassanio and Antonio. Use those words in your sentence while you are going to make a meaningful sentence to write the answer to the question. Here some words I am telling you. Beautiful, fair, fairer than the world. Virtuous, of wondrous virtues. Called Portia, her name is Portia. He had received fair, speechless messages, sometimes from her eyes. Her worth and fame attracted renowned suitors. He compares her to the golden fleece, golden locks, sunny locks. Her suitors to Jason from classical mythology. Many Jasons, adventurous suitors, came in quest of her. Not inferior to Portia, Cato's daughter, Brutus' wife, the world is not ignorant of her worth. For the four winds blow in from every coast, renowned suitors, for famous suitors are sailing towards her from everywhere. Page number 29, this speech is given, and whatever the words given there in that speech, those words will help you to write your answer. So keep the things in your mind while you will write the answers. Now we shall discuss question number 4, that is also based on the same speech of Bassanio. Why was Antonio unable to lend Bassanio the money that he needed? Why was Antonio unable to lend Bassanio the money that he needed? And the second part of this question is, how did he propose to help his friend? So first we will discuss the first part, because first part is of 1 mark, second part is of 2 marks. Why was Antonio unable to lend Bassanio the money that he needed? All his fortunes were at sea, invested in his many merchant ships. His wealth is tied up with ships in the sea. Antonio has no money, Antonio has no ready cash, has nothing of value, commodity, you can use the word commodity, which he could sell to raise the money needed. That will help you to write the first part of the answer. And the second part, how did he propose to help his friend? That both he and Bassanio should make inquiries among the wealthy merchants. This will be the first option. Second option, to see if they can borrow money, get loan. You can use the word loan, borrow money or loan. try what my credit in Venice can do. Means I am ready to present myself as a custodian, as a security for the loan which you will take from the wealthy man in the city of Venice. Means this time I don't have any ready cash, so in this way I help you by becoming your custodian, by becoming your security, by becoming your guarantor for the money which the money lender will give you. Now let us discuss question number 4. Question number 4 will be of 4 marks. So 2 marks divided in 2 parts. For the first part you will get 2 marks. For the second part of the question you will get 2 marks. What does the above extract reveal the relationship between Antonio and Bassanio? Once again see. What does the above extract reveal the relationship between Antonio and Bassanio? Here I want to tell you, sometimes the marking method is a little changed. Here in first part you will get 3 marks, and for the second part you will get 1 mark. 2 adjectives with 1 example. The second part of this question is, mention one way in which this relationship was put to the test later in the play. One reason is, one way is written, that's why for one way 1 mark is given, and for the upper part of the question, and if means the first part of the question, you will be awarded 3 marks. What does the above extract reveal the relationship between Antonio and Bassanio? For this question's answer you will write, it is given in the textbook, shows that Antonio and Bassanio were very good friends. Shows that Antonio and Bassanio were very good friends. That Bassanio has always relied on Antonio both for financial, you can write money, as well as emotional, means love support. Another point, Bassanio is assured of Antonio's love and care. Confide all his plans in him, clear all his debts with Antonio's help. Another point, Bassanio exploits Antonio's love and trust. Another point, Bassanio takes advantage of Antonio. Any point the examiner will accept, keep the points in your mind, make meaningful sentence to write the answer. Now for the second part of the question, mention one way in which this relationship was put to the test later in the play. First point, I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. 5 way, any way you can write, but you have to keep 2, 3 or 4 way that will help you to write the answer easily. When Shylock demands his pound of flesh, Antonio is willing to sacrifice his life for Bassanio. This is the first point. Second point, when Bassanio receives Antonio's letter in Belmont, he is willing to drop everything, go to Venice. Third, when Bassanio agrees to give away the wedding ring given to him by Portia and sacrifice his love, Portia for Antonio. Any mention of Antonio, Bassanio being willing to sacrifice anything for the other, wife, life, etc. So these are the points. With the help of these points, you can write the answers, and in this way, in 16 marks question, you will get 100% marks. So to answer the questions in Merchant of Venice, it is my sincere advice to all of you to read the textbook between the lines. Watch the videos, read the textbook. Before watching the videos, keep in your mind a few points that are given in your workbook. Plot and theme is also given there. First read the plot, then theme, and the historical background is also given there. Okay, while I was explaining the textbook, I explained also the plot and theme through the speeches of the characters. Thank you very much.